Hey everyone, I'm back and I'm here to show you the new Recipe Stamp Club stamps and paper. This is available or will be available if you are in the club already subscribed. You should be getting these stamps shortly if you haven't already. But they will be dropping, of course, from Adorn It in the next probably couple of weeks or so. I believe this is the July Stamp Club recipe and the add-on and the paper. Okay, so here is the recipe. It is for No Peak beef, and I'm kind of holding it in this way so you could see that a little bit better. It's got a little cow standing on a hill with some flowers, and then the recipe is inside the body of the cow and a portion of the hill. So there's that. And then on the same sheet, and this is a 4x6 sheet, it has a, is this a milk can? I think that's what they're called, a milk jug. I didn't grow up with this type of thing, so I don't know what you call it technically. And then there's some, I think these are daisies, because on the milk can it says Daisy Farm. Over here there's like a string of daisies, and then there's a larger one and a bow. So that is the main recipe stamp for the release. And then the add-on looks like this. The add-on is another 4x6, and it has the cow here, and she's got some daisies in her mouth. There's a little cowbell that says "Hey there," H-A-Y, with a bow at the top. And then there is a nice old-fashioned milk bottle that says fresh milk, and then there's some more daisies, the word milk, another free daisy, and then here's a little chain of daisies, which is really cute. That'll be a nice border. So yeah, that is the add-on stamp if you get that as part of your club subscription. And then if you are subscribed to the paper, here is the pattern paper that you would get, little cow spots. And then this is the reverse. I've already flipped them over so you could see them all. Nice gingham. Some stripes. And then the reverse of the stripes is the daisies. Really cute. And then some purple and white polka dots. Here is the, I think they call it ticker tape, but it's got all the different patterns in it. There is a distressed pink, like a burlap background. And then this one has the toss print of the cow and the milk bottles and the word milk and the bell, the cowbell. So that's the paper in the club kit subscription if you are receiving that. I don't know when these are going to drop, so if you're curious about that, as always, you can join the Facebook group for Adorn It. And they typically will let you know when they're going to do the stamp drop, but that's also where you would see the video for it. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully be coming back with some projects pretty soon. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.